If your Pixlr crop tool is not working, or it feels frozen, stuck, or won't let you resize the selection properly, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix the Pixlr crop tool step by step, so you can get back to editing without wasting time. This is especially useful if the crop box won't move, the handles don't appear, or the tool seems to do nothing when you try to use it. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Pixlr in your browser and go to pixlr.com. Once the website loads, launch Pixlr E, which is the advanced editor. If you're trying to crop images and the tool is acting weird, Pixlr E is usually where you'll want to troubleshoot it first because it gives you the full set of editing controls. Now, to activate the crop tool, press the C key on your keyboard. That is the official shortcut, and it's usually much more reliable than clicking the icon manually, especially if the interface is lagging or the browser is being slow. If you click the tool and nothing seems to happen, the shortcut is often the quickest way to force it to activate. Next, this is the most important step. Look at the top tool options bar and check the aspect ratio setting. Make sure select aspect is set to free or unrestricted. If it's set to a fixed ratio like 1:1, the crop box can feel stuck, limited, or impossible to resize the way you expect. So if your crop tool seems broken, this setting is one of the first things you should always check. Once the crop tool is active and the aspect ratio is set correctly, try dragging the corners of the crop box to resize it. You should now be able to adjust the crop area normally. After you've positioned it the way you want, press enter on your keyboard to confirm the crop. This is important. Do not just click off the canvas expecting it to apply automatically. In Pixlr, you usually need to press enter or click apply in the tool options bar to finalize the crop. If it still is not working and the tool selects but won't actually cut, or the handles do not appear at all, then we need to check a few deeper issues. The first thing to look at is the layer lock. Go to the layers panel on the right side of the screen. If you see a padlock icon on the layer, that means the layer is locked. Double-click the padlock to unlock it. A locked layer can prevent editing tools from behaving correctly, including crop and transform actions. If the crop tool still feels frozen, the next big fix is to disable WebGL or hardware acceleration in Chrome. This is one of the most common reasons editing tools can glitch, lag, or stop responding inside browser-based apps like Pixlr. Go to Chrome settings, search for acceleration, and turn off Use Graphics Acceleration when available. After that, restart Chrome completely. Don't just close the tab, fully restart the browser so the change takes effect. If you're still having trouble after that, clear your browser cache. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. Then select cached images and files and clear the data. After that, reload Pixlr and try the crop tool again. Cached files can sometimes cause old interface bugs or loading issues that interfere with editing tools. So to quickly recap, open Pixlr E, use the C shortcut, set the aspect ratio to free or unrestricted, press enter to apply, unlock your layer if needed, turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome, and clear the cache if the issue continues. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem immediately. If this video helped you fix the Pixlr crop tool, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Pixlr issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.